hard work versus luck. Friends, the secret of success is hard work, not a luck. Because you can't rely on the only luck. For example, if you get 10 lakh rupees by a lottery, so you will be a richer person, not a successful person. If you want to become successful, you have to work hard. There is no substitution of hard work. In the Quran, Allah says, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, وَلَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى. And nothing is for the man but what he strives for. So you have to struggle, you have to work hard. Then you get something in your life, then you will able to get your ambitions and your goal in your life. I want to say that all the people in this world are hard workers, not are lucky persons. And one thing I want to say that the harder you work, the more lucky you are. And if we observe all the biography of the successful person, we can know that they work hard, but they don't work hard for a month, for a year. They work hard for a decades. All successful person you can observe in the sports, in the politics, in the acting like that. Messi, Ronaldo, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Imran Khan, they are hard workers. And most interesting thing is that they work hard for many decades. Even if I talk about Sir Qasim Ali Shah, he has started his journey 20 years ago. Now he is the best motivation speaker of the Pakistan. And we have a live example, Sir Asad Yaqub. He has also started his journey 10 years ago on the YouTube. So he is also a brand now. He is the brand of English. And so I want to say to all of you that if you also want to become a brand, you also want to become successful in your life, you have to work hard, believe in yourself, because you are the superior creation of Allah. You have to believe in yourself and keep consistency. It will take years and many years then you become successful, because success is not a destination, success is a journey.
All right, thank you.